Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best shower heads that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Shower Heads. It's hard to believe, and it's a shame. There really are people who don't enjoy one of the great pleasures of life, leisurely enjoying a long, relaxing shower. The joy of lingering in a calm cocoon of water, the pleasure of a sharp, piercing spray stimulating the senses, the bliss of warm steam and hot water suspending time and rejuvenating the body. Number 5. Replacement cartridge for AquaBliss SF100 High Output Multi-Stage Shower Filter. Ultrafine stainless steel mesh prevents medium-sized sediments. Zeolite ceramic balls release revitalizing minerals. Main features: softer water cleaner body. Premium pure potent materials. Money back guaranteed. Number 4. AquaDance 7 inches Premium High Pressure 3-Way Rainfall Combo Shower Head. It's easy to use each shower head separately or both together. Clever dial makes it easy to change one setting to another. Main features: premium matching style hand shower. Each shower has 6 settings. Easy tool-free connection. Number 3. High pressure shower head, Wenini 300 holes handheld shower head. 300 holes high pressure shower head, powerful boosting spray bath water saving. Main features: all-in-one shaped, seamless body makes no leakage. Love limiting turbocharger technology. Water flows gently through 300 small hold. Number 2. Spark Pod Shower Head High Pressure Rain Shower Heads. A bathroom needs a good shower. It is the centerpiece that brings the whole room together, and with our luxurious chrome-plated head. Main features: high pressure rainfall shower head. Easy tool-free installation. Self-cleansing nozzles. Number 1. AquaDance High Pressure 6 Setting 3.5 inches Chrome Face Handheld Shower. You will love ergonomic grip handle of this handheld shower head and 6 full water spray settings that are truly different. Main features: deluxe hand shower. Angle adjustable overhead bracket. Easy tool-free connection. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.